this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina, and today is a very special day on Vito's Italian Cucina. Today we are baking. That's right, we're doing something very special today. And guess who's joining us? A special guest, my daughter, Natalie Giambavo. Natalie, are you there? Oh, there you are.
Hey!
So, what are we doing today, Natalie?
We're making Natalie's Italian banana bread.
Natalie's Italian banana bread. What's so Italian about it?
Well, me, of course.
Oh.
I'm Italian.
Well, let's get started. I can't wait to taste this. Our show. You know what? I tell you, that banana bread looks great, and I can't wait to taste it. You know what I mean? You're gonna love it. If you wanna watch Vito's Italian Cucina, remember it's VitosItalianCucina.com or on YouTube, Vito's Italian Cucina, and subscribe to us. Right, Nat?
That's right.
Okay, say bye-bye. 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 Bye. Oh, we'll see you later.
Oh, God.
God.